Residents in Richland, Georgia, wanting answers after private medical information was found outside a closed hospital and in full view. Newsletter 9's Khalees McGee joins us live outside that hospital in West Georgia. So, Khalees, tell us more about the concern that residents have about what was out there on the lawn.
Jason, everything that was put on the lawn is now covered by the tarp you see. However, many residents are still concerned about their own or their loved ones' personal information being thrown out on the front lawn of this hospital for everyone to see.
Who was really in charge of this? Who really let this happen?
These are the questions Richland bed and breakfast owner Naomi Richardson is asking after people's personal information was found laying outside of Stewart Webster Hospital. The hospital closed a few years back.
Dead people identification theft is very big. So if my grandparents' ID is in there, then there can be identification theft.
The huge pile is now covered by a tarp and surrounded by police tape. But Richardson describes all she saw before everything was covered.
The paperwork were patient records, patient's x-rays, which includes a birthday on it, names and birthdays.
According to the game warden, Corporal Stevie Robinson, this violates the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act of 1996, more commonly known as HIPAA.
Anytime the hospitals, anything like that takes in a person's information, they have to keep that private. If that person dies or anything like that, that stuff is supposed to be destroyed. It either has to be shredded or burned.
Richardson is a retired midwife who started as a nurse. According to her, proper disposal of records should have begun when the hospital closed.
There are storage units. There is even shredding if it's done properly. Anything electronic, it has to be disposed of, and it has to go through companies.
Biohazard waste bags, personal information of people still alive, and also easy access inside the building also concerns Richardson.
I do want to see it cleaned up properly.
The EPD's on top of it, so we're trying to get this done and cleaned up as quick as we can.
And I did talk with another resident who did not want to go on camera, but he voiced the same concerns. Corporal Robinson says that the Environmental Protection Division is going to be handling the cleanup. Reporting in Stewart County, I'm Khalees McGee for WTVM News Leader 9.
Yeah, this story sounds like it will continue to develop. Thank you for that live update, Khalees. Well, this week